Do you feel like you have massive energy inside you, but you are unable to use it? You want to change, to get up, to start, but you just don't do it. It's like something heavy is pulling you to the ground every time you try to move. You wake up every day with a desire to achieve something great, but with the first minute on your phone, everything disappears. Hours pass, the day ends, and you say, "Tomorrow I will start." Tomorrow comes, and nothing changes. You are not lazy as you think. You are stuck between ambition that demands climbing and a soul that has gotten used to comfort. And here begins the real conflict between who you want to be and who you are used to being. In this video, I won't tell you slogans or temporary motivation, but real, practical steps that help you break the cycle of laziness and return you to the path of ambition, step by step. These aren't just passing tips, but a realistic roadmap to help you understand yourself first, then change it with awareness and stability. So let's talk about the first thing you must do. Step 1. Understand yourself. Laziness is not always a weakness. It's a sign of a flaw in your path or your motives. Sometimes you aren't lazy, but you have lost meaning. Before you attack yourself, stop and ask, does what I do actually matter to me? Does this goal resemble me? When you work without conviction, every effort becomes a burden. But when you know why you strive, you regain energy automatically, and work becomes part of you, not a burden on you. Step 2. The 2-minute rule. If you delay a task because it feels heavy, start for just 2 minutes. Tell yourself, I will do this for 2 minutes only. The mind rejects the start, not the continuation. Once you start, you will continue automatically. This simple rule breaks the first wall of procrastination. Step 3. Don't rely on motivation, rely on discipline. Motivation is temporary. Discipline keeps you on the road. Write your daily tasks clearly. Don't keep them in your head. Divide your day into short periods. Give each period one single task. He who plans an hour saves days of chaos. Step 4. The daily minimum rule. Even on your worst days, do the minimum. Read 1 page. Exercise for 5 minutes. The important thing is not to break the chain. Consistency is more important than perfection, because real achievement isn't built in a day, but in quiet repetition that no one sees. Step 5. Change your environment. Laziness cannot live in a stimulating environment. Clean your room, hide the phone, put tools in front of you. Make everything you need close to you. The mind activates when it sees the place ready for action. The work environment is half the achievement. Step 6. Cut your relationship with comparison. When you see others' achievements, you feel late, so you give up more. Comparison steals your energy. Compare yourself only to yesterday. Have you improved even a little? Then you are on the right path. Step 7. Seek help from God. Don't rely on your strength alone. The heart weakens and determination fades. Ask God to help you, to make you diligent. When you truly trust in Him, He opens doors you never imagined and gives you peace in striving, unlike the peace of rest. Remember, dreams are not achieved by intentions, but by small steps repeated every day. Discipline is the bridge between who you want to be and who you are right now. The most successful people were not always motivated, but they were consistent despite their feelings. So start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because quite simply, it will never come.